Are you ready to enhance your project management skills and boost your career? Meet CompTIA's Project Plus. It's a versatile certification perfect for professionals looking to manage projects effectively without diving into a more complex framework like the PMP. Project Plus focuses on the fundamentals of project management, covering essential areas like planning, execution, budgeting, and risk management. It's ideal for individuals that are starting their project management journey, or even if you're just managing projects as part of a broader role. Unlike the PMP, Project Plus is designed for those who need practical and foundational knowledge to jumpstart their skills. Think of it as the perfect entry point before pursuing a higher level certification like the PMP. Now here's the value. Project Plus certified professionals often start with salaries around $65,000, while PMP certified roles normally do six figures. Project Plus is a great way to get started, build your credibility, and grow your career without those overwhelming prerequisites. Whether you're new to project management or just looking to solidify your skills, Project Plus is the certification for you. Start your journey today with Training Camp. Bye.